From the first glance, knew it was a chance I had to take. Not about the dance, it was the light you emit, I can't escape. Your vibe a high that I don't ever wanna come down from. Before you, my heart's beat was just a humdrum drum. Now the rhythm's complex, got me checking my next step. Protect your heart, that's a promise. Yeah, you can bet they see me cool and collected, but you got me heated. My logic's been defeated, my past scars, they've been treated. You the missing piece of the puzzle I was never completing. And every single day with you feels like a special season. And you are my universe, my cosmos in a verse, the blessing and the curse, for better or for worse. You're the rhythm to my rhyme, you're the only reason I'm writing all these stupid lines. But you make them all feel right, yeah, you make it all feel right. You my universe, yeah, you're my universe when I'm with you. Nothing else matters when I'm with you. You're my universe. They talking lavish money, cars, I'm just talking about your laugh. The way you make the simplest moments feel like a photograph, a timeless capsule. Yeah, you got that kind of magic. My love for you, it ain't passive, nah, it's damn frantic. I analyze the metrics, you excel in every section. You love my only direction, rejecting all rejection. We building a connection that they can't comprehend. From now until the very end, you're my lover and my best friend. So let the skeptics talk while we blocking out the noise. I found my peace and ultimate joy, my girl, my pride, my decoy, yeah, yeah. You are my universe, my cosmos in a verse, the blessing and the curse, for better or for worse. You're the rhythm to my rhyme, you're the only reason I'm writing all these stupid lines. But you make them all feel right, yeah, you make it right whenever you are universe, yeah, yeah, you're my universe when I'm with you. Nothing else matters when I'm with you. And if the stars ever burn out and the galaxies fade, if the music stops playing and the colors all grade, I still find my way in the dark by your soul's gentle glow. You're the anchor I needed, the truth that I know. You're my constant, 'cause you are my universe, my cosmos in a verse, the blessing and the curse, for better or for worse. You're the rhythm to my rhyme, you're the only reason yeah, you make it all feel right. My universe.